Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to YouTube and then let's go to the top right corner here in our icon and then let's go to settings. Here on settings, as you can see, we have this part, and if we want to go to add another account, you can go to advanced settings. Here on advanced settings, you can check everything is okay, move to channel, and then you can go again to account, and here you can add or manage your channel. Okay, so you can go here, and then we have here another channel that we have, and you can add another channel here. You can here add a name, and you can go to the handle and you can create a channel, and you can just, as you can see, you can use the same email address that you are using right now for your YouTube channel. So that is a good way to do it. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.